Welcome back, guys. You're on Anthony Reacts.
Yeah.
Here with Anthony himself.
And Edward.
What's up, y'all?
Yes, you will see him in more years to come. Hopefully he'll still be here.
I don't know.
Yeah.
But
I'll make use of him while he's still here though.
We'll see what happens. Okay, guys. We noticed in the comment section there was someone from our Eve performance video, like our Eve performance reaction.
That was...
Yes. They told us to watch and react to White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love all at the same time.
Right.
So we're gonna do it.
We're
gonna do it.
For you.
Exactly. For you. Let's play this thing. Triangle!
No. Hey. You're already on stage. Oh. And this is live.
It's like techno. Woo! Okay.
A lot of stage presence.
Not only that, there's a lot of other stuff going on.
Yeah.
It's like a lot of body rolling.
A lot of movements. Hey.
Oh, Dio. Okay, I see. Senor. Okay.
Okay.
Sherman. Chin.
And dude, that's their high voice. Hey, 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 hey.
It's like some randomness. Oh, stop. Oh, boy! Boy, I know you. I see you.
Oh my lord. The stage is like, it's moving exactly. Oh, different. Alright.
Oh, okay, they're coming down.
Coming down. Oh, they're sweating. Hey.
Oh! It's raining! These people made it rain!
They even bring production during live performance.
There's so much fan service going on!
Oh my god, the fans are living their life.
Their mics better be waterproof!
Boy, they better be.
Like, look at this! Look at, woo!
They're just walking on stage doing all the rain.
They made it rain.
They made it rain. Hey. Yeah. Okay. This is when you know they've been to rehearsals. Wow. Alright. Back to slow music.
You can see the vein in his neck, man!
This is you?
Yes! Chan, man! Oh!
Hey, I see you.
Dio, man! It's like that mini body roll. Woo! With the fade and the slick back, though.
Look at him.
Guy just like, I don't know you, but like, let me just.
Oh my lord.
Kai giving the girls what they want. Wait.
What?
Thunder. Oh, okay, wait. Wait, wait. Oh my god, you're not ready for this.
Not ready?
Wait.
Yeah? Okay. Oh my god. Hey!
Crotch grabbing! Ah!
I love that. Oh, body rolling.
That's like, come on now. What?
Hey, what's this?
It's like, they reversed the sound of glass breaking.
Oh my god, vocals, man.
Wait.
Wow.
And slick back though! Come on! Oh, they're splitting up now.
This is amazing, man.
Kai! LED is great for the win!
Look at that. This guy, though. Hey, 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 climb. Okay.
Yeah, breathe, man, breathe.
They look like they're
Wait.
being sexy up there. It's like so.
Oh, that smile! Mother trucker!
Look at that.
It should be illegal for them to do multiple songs at once, man.
Alright. Okay. Movements though.
Oh! This guy just pointed at us like, ah, I know you.
Lari loud.
Kai. Yeah, I can feel fan service coming on.
I love the self-confidence. Just, you know? It's like they know they got it.
You gotta know you got it.
It's like, you know, the way they're holding themselves on stage.
Especially Kai, man. It's like rocking it.
And all the hair and all the, look at that.
Oh, dear. Oh.
This guy, is that guy?
Yeah.
Look at that.
I was like, come on, y'all. It's like the little.
Alright, we can leave it upbeat here.
They got canes now.
Are we in the strip club?
I don't know. Comment below if you think we should be. I mean, like, you know, don't do that. Don't do that.
You know, this should be rated.
사랑이었다 믿어 현실적이지 않던 너지만 이유 없이 너를 갔어 너를 갈망한
Hey.
표면적인 너와 나의 관계
Okay.
자유는 이상은 중 너의 한계 왜곡된 감각과 불투명한 현실 내 경계 She don't love me 내겐 artificial love
Okay. We're making love now, are we?
I think the name of the song is Artificial Love.
This song.
You got that coating me coating artificial
But that land though. Oh my god, though.
I'm telling you, this should be rated.
See?
This should be rated.
What is this? Is this a K-pop concert? What the hell is going on?
God damn.
I knew there was fan service coming up for these people.
I knew in the beginning. They were feeling themselves. Hey. Alright.
A synchronized
Okay.
body rolling? This is next level. Oh, chest popping, come on.
Yeah. You know, this is fitting a lot of fan fiction.
Oh, this. Zoom in.
There, look though. They know they got it. You know, that's self-confidence. And all the fans are just living for it.
Oh my god, though.
Alright? The runs.
Oh, people are unbuttoning shirts now.
Are you? They're unbuttoning their shirts.
I don't know, but I think I saw that.
I just saw that
I
too.
think that's gonna happen.
Are people gonna get alive?
No.
That guy is just spilling himself. This reminds me of Haley.
Oh, these people moonwalking.
Hey.
What? Oh my god, we
See?
got blindfolds on.
This thing is sexual, I'm telling you.
No, come on.
Someone commented in the
Okay,
comment
wait.
section.
Oh, okay.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
that snap though.
I'm so afraid of one of them just like falling down. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Oh, but that grand though.
The fact that they know what they're doing, blindfolded, is impressive.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That last little flicker wasn't necessary, but like, damn. That was
I
impressive.
thought when they were gonna put the blindfolds on,
Oh, it was not.
they were giving someone a lap.
No, Anthony. Wow. Damn.
Because that usually goes to that, like
It usually goes to that?
because he was getting so sexual from the very first performance.
Yeah, no.
It was getting like quite intense.
Okay. Oh, quite intense.
I mean, they were unbuttoning shirts and stuff.
I don't know. Oh my goodness, my mind.
And there was
is
rain.
explosive. There was there was rain.
And then I thought at the end when they had the blindfolds, I was like, is someone getting a lap dance for fans?
You know.
Or are they
Okay.
getting lap dance for each
No,
other?
no. Okay, first of all, I can't even with this. Like, honestly, this I just don't know how to feel about this, man.
I
This
don't know.
EXO like I've never seen them before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
I was just like
It actually reminds me of their video Coco Pop. Coco Pop?
Coco Pop.
Yeah, Coco Pop.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
Like,
that
boy,
song was
everyone,
amazing.
boy, I
But-
bet all the Kai fans are getting the fan service.
They're getting.
They are thinking about
They are
it. They are
living their
rewatching.
life.
They're gonna download this
They
video,
are living
cut
their
out their
life.
favorite parts, and then keep
and
it.
just keep it
keep it.
somewhere, you know, in your documents file, somewhere in your
Exactly.
computer.
Exactly. Well, thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Wow.
Yeah, that was
intense.
impressive.
That was impressive.
We thank you for whoever told us about this earlier on. Like this, honestly, I'm not.
Dude,
I don't know how to
that
feel
person
about this.
said that it was gonna be a sexual kind of
Yeah,
live
they did.
performance. They did
Oh my goodness.
because they saw us body rolling to them to their
Oh,
dance
this,
practice.
This thing is like
So,
crazy though.
That's another level.
Oh my goodness.
That's,
We've seen it now.
we've seen it now.
We've seen it now. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a comment, give it a share. Okay? Because like you're special people that can do that. Yeah.
Okay. So we're done.
Are we done?
We're done.
Do we wait? Can we even rate this? I'm not sure we
no.
can.
Yeah.
Can we?
Wow.
It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 4 videos rolled. I'm out. Oh my goodness.
That's it. The fact that they have.
EXO, what the hell, man?
Wow, that was
confusing. You know what? We're gonna leave this as unknown territory.
Unknown territory.
Unknown territory.
We can't touch that.
Yeah,
You
exactly.
know, it's a live performance.
It's like there's like
Yeah,
4.
It's
It's like there's 4
nice.
flavors up in here.
That was beautiful.
Yeah.
That was.
Exactly. Well, guys, we shall see you around. Remember, if you love this video, also comment down below what you think we should watch. So,
Down below.
yes, do that. Do that.
And we'll react to
And
it.
yeah, we'll do our best, guys. We're gonna head out now. So, peace.